Now that you've connected your contact sensor to your Ring alarm, let's mount it on a door or window. You'll want to place your sensor in a spot that keeps it out of the way of kids, pets, and accidental bumps. Before you stick the sensor to the door, let's plan the setup. Your Ring alarm contact sensor has two parts, the sensor and the magnet. These two pieces can be installed up to 2.5 centimeters apart. When you separate the two pieces, you'll see the green light blink once, and you'll hear a chirp tone if enabled. You can mount the contact sensor on the door or window and the magnet on the frame, or you can switch them around. Don't be afraid to rotate your sensor or magnet to fit better. You can even rotate them up to 90 degrees or install them in an offset position, as long as they are lined up in the same direction. In fact, many angles will work, as long as your contact sensor installation meets the following three criteria. The gap between the contact sensor and the magnet must be 2.5 centimeters or less. When you open the door or window, you see the LED flash green and hear the chirp tone. There should be 1.3 centimeters of space around the sensor so you can slide it open to replace the batteries. There are a few other things to remember. Avoid the side of the door with hinges because the sensor will not detect when the door is open. Make sure the sensor and magnet won't get wet. Avoid areas close to a mail slot or pet door or other areas that are easily accessible from the outside to prevent someone from reaching in and tampering with the sensor. Once you've selected your installation spot, clean the area to ensure it will stick well. Peel back the adhesive and press and hold it to the door or window frame for a few seconds. Then do the same thing for the magnet. Open and close your door or window. Your contact sensor should stay in place and you should see the sensor open and close within the app. One more thing to remember. If you're using this contact sensor on a door that you use often to enter and leave, you'll want to make sure to set the placement to main door in the contact sensor settings. This lets you set an entry and exit delay so you can come and go without setting off false alarms. Need more info? Visit ring.com/help.